So hello everyone, this is Mithun Samanta and today I'm going to share with you how to create a new pixel for any advertisement account. So this is I am inside the ads account, and that is inside my business manager. That the name of the business manager is Sketch Me Out, and the name of the ad account is SK Online Nation 2. So I'm just going to create the pixel for this ad account because the pixel is not yet set for this ad account. So first of all, I have to go to the connect data source option. So I just clicked on this connect data source option. Then I have to go to web option. I just tap on the web option. Next, get started. So after clicking on get started, I'm getting Facebook pixel. So I just selected Facebook pixel. Next, I clicked on connect. So what I have to do next? I just have to give a name for my pixel. So I will just give a name as SK Online. I will just give the same name as it is in the ad account name, SK Online Nation 2. Okay, so what I have to do, I have to check your website for easy setup options. This is optional. So I just gave the name for the pixel, and just type pixel. Okay, next is continue. So I will set the website later from other option, and here are two options: manually add pixel code to website, and the other option is use a partner integration. So I will select use a partner integration, and from here I will select Google Tag Manager because this is easy to create pixel with Google Tag Manager. So how it works: automatic events, thereafter set advanced matching. There are so many options. I just have to click on uh, continue button, turn on automatic advanced matching so that it automatically detects my events. So let's give permission. This is my email id and I just confirmed my email id. So next, Google Tag Manager will automatically give permission to this ad account, and the pixel will automatically get set over there because Google Tag Manager is already set, and my website name is einvestile.com. So in this website, I am going to give permission to this Facebook's pixel. So here I am getting the finish setup option. So let's click on this finish setup option. So account name is inside Google Tag Manager. The account name is einvestile and the container is einvestile.com. That is the URL of my website. So here I am getting an alert that we haven't received any events for the Pixel SK Online Nation 2. So this is for the first time, and that's why I'm getting this message. Please check that the pixel code on your website is set up correctly. So what I have to do, I just have to confirm whether it is working or not. So how can I check it? Just okay, let's check once by typing the website. This is just the process of creating some events. So einvestile.com, and next I have to click on continue, or without writing my website name here. If I don't write my website name here, it will also get confirmed. So let's check by typing the name. I clicked on continue button and then verify your events in events manager recommended. So I will just test whether I'm getting any response from my website or not. So I can do it from events manager test option, and at the same time there is a Facebook pixel helper, which is the Google extension. And what I have to do, I have just opened a new tab, and okay, just wait a moment. So this is the last screen, which is the events manager test button. So I just clicked on that button, and here is the test events option. Okay, so what I will do, so I opened a new tab. In this new tab I am just typing my website, investstyle.com. Okay, so I just type the URL, and let's see what happens. So the website has loaded, and here I am just clicking on the refresh button or test events option. Just check it once. So here is the option, receiving activity. So it is working, right? Events received, received from setup method, time received. Just refresh this. I haven't got any data yet. These are the headlines. So the page is loading. The events manager page is loading. Waiting for activity. Let's refresh it once again. Okay, so here is the option, and I am getting page view. So I am getting page view at 10:36:55, and this is the time 10:37. So I am getting the response. What I got, the version, HTTPS version and HTTP version. The HTTPS version is there in the Google Tag Manager, and firstly I opened the HTTP version of the website einveststyle.com, so that's why it was not sending data. And now it is sending data because I typed as https.com, https colon double slash, then einveststyle.com, then it is showing data. And here is the option, https colon double slash einveststyle.com, action source website, advanced matching parameters, IP address and user agent, all these things are being tracked. So this is all, and the pixel is set, pixel is done in the website, and which I can also see in the Facebook pixel helper. Let me check once. So here is the option, SK Online Nation 2 pixel. This is the pixel we currently created, and this is sending data. So Facebook pixel helper is also helping us. So I actually have this ad account, this ad account, this ad account, this ad account, and this ad account. So all of these ad accounts are having access to this website. And you can say this website, my website is having a pixel of all these ad accounts, 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 pixels found on einveststyle.com. You can also see the heading. So that's it in today's tutorial, and I hope you will easily be able now to create your own ad accounts pixel. This is so easy, you surely can do this. Thank you so much for watching this video tutorial.